In this video, we're going to be talking all about how to validate your course idea before you ever build it. The first thing you want to do is you want to validate it on social media. So put some titles out there and say, of these two courses, which one would you want to take? Which one matches what your goals are? And then from there, you're going to get some great data in regards to who's responding and what titles are best. Second, you want to ask all about the pain that you solve. So say you help people launch online businesses or you help people launch podcasts like I do. You're going to want to then talk to people about that pain. So what's difficult about launching a podcast? Where are your hangups? So that could be on social media, it could be on LinkedIn, it could be through email, it could be to your whole email list. You want to find out as much as you can about how your ideal client describes the pain. And when you do that, you're going to have great copy and it's going to help you with validating your idea. The third way to validate a course is to have some sort of early opt-in or wait list. Now, when you have a wait list, you're saying to your audience, hey, I'm launching this thing. It's coming out in a couple months. If you want first access, if you want to be in that first group, go over to this specific landing page and get on the wait list. And you're going to get first dibs on it. So you're going to want to do that. So then if you only get 2 people that sign up, you know nobody's interested in this course. So you're going to outline what are the basics of the course, how much is about it going to cost, when are you going to be launching it, when will they have access. Give them a really clear idea of exactly what you're offering. And then when you offer that wait list, you can validate that idea before you ever spend any minutes or money on the actual course. You want to take time to talk to your highest value clients. You want to talk to your clients that are the ones that have given you the most money. So if you have one-on-one consulting clients, if you have mastermind groups, if you have people that have worked with you, what you want to do is you want to talk to them. Get on the phone, have a 15-minute call, talk about the pain, talk about the product, talk about the price. Get in there and really get an idea of what exactly it is that they want to get out of a course. And the very last way to validate your course is to do pre-sales. You want to do pre-sales before you ever open this course. When people have to actually pull out their credit card and put down a down payment or they have to pay for the course, that tells you whether they're serious. You can have a bunch of people on a wait list, but if no one actually buys it and does the pre-sale, you're not going to get any sales later on. That's going to be the time that people most likely are going to work with you. So make sure you do pre-sales as part of your validation. Now, if you want more ideas on how to use podcasting to launch your e-course, head on over to Podcast Launch School. Over at Podcast Launch School, we have a totally free email course to walk you through how do you podcast, how do you get started with it, how do you launch courses. That's over at podcastlaunchschool.com. Talk to you soon.